Good day, wonderful viewers. We have quite an interesting question for you under periodic table. And in a question like this, I'll first and foremost say you breathe in and out in order to calm your nerves. Then you begin to respond to it. Because I tell you, if you are under tension, a question like this, you miss out on it. So let's go. Which of the following statements is correct about the periodic table? A. Elements in the same period have the same number of valence electrons. That's a big lie. When we talk about same period, we're talking about having the same number of what? Electron shells, or simply the same number of shells, okay? B, the valence electrons of elements in the same period increase progressively across the period. That is true. What do they mean in number B? If you observe the periodic table from left to right, from left we have groups 1, 2, the D block elements, then group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and O or 8. So what am I trying to say? Across the period from left to right in the periodic table, you see that the group keeps increasing. And if the group is increasing, that is what they mean by that the valence electron, which determines the group, increases progressively. So number B is correct, but let's see other options why they are not correct. C, elements in the same group have the same number of electron shells. That's a lie. That would have gone for period. In fact, they switch the ideas between A and C to make them wrong. D, the non-metallic properties of the elements tend to decrease across each period. That is from left to right. That is a lie, okay? Because across the period from left to right, on the left end of the periodic table, we have metals, okay? And as we move towards the right end, we are moving towards non-metal. So which actually means that non-metallic properties of elements increases across the period from left to right and not decrease. So in all of this, our answer still remains option B. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.